Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the list of top 25 best-selling cars in India for the month of March 2K25. At number 25th position, it's Kia Carens. 5,512 units sold in March 2K25. At number 24th position, it's Hyundai Exter. 5,901 units sold in March 2K25. At number 23rd position, it's Kia Seltos. 6,525 units sold in March 2K25. At number 22nd position, it's Mahindra XUV 700. 6,851 units sold in March 2K25. Loaded with tech and power, the XUV 700 continues to be a favorite among SUV lovers. At number 21st position, it's again Mahindra XUV 3XO. 7,055 units sold in March 2K25. Mahindra XUVs offers with a fresh name and a bold new design. The XUV 3XO surprised everyone with its numbers. At 20th position, it's Kia Sonet. Kia sold 7,705 units of Kia Sonet in March 2K25. Sonet keeps proving its worth in the compact SUV segment with strong performance. At 19th position, it's Tata Tiago. Tata sales its Tiago 7,946 units in March 2K25. Tata Tiago, a trusted budget-friendly hatchback, Tiago continues to win hearts. At number 18th position, it's Mahindra Bolero. With a sale of 8,031 units in March 2K25. Mahindra Bolero, the king of rural roads, Bolero is still going strong with its rugged charm. At 17th position, it's Mahindra Thar with a sale of 8,936 units sold in March 2K25. At 16th position, it's Toyota Innova with a sale of 9,856 units sold in March 2K25. The MPV Boss, perfect for families and long road trips. At 15th position, it's Maruti Alto with the sale of 9,867 units sold in March 2K25. At 14th position, it's again Maruti Eco, 10,409 units sold. At 13th position, it's again from Maruti, it's Grand Vitara, 10,418 units sold in March 2K25. At 12th position, it's Hyundai Venue. Hyundai sale its Venue 10,441 units sold in March 2K25. At 11th position, it's Maruti Baleno. 12,357 units sold in March 2K25. Its sales declining as compared to previous month. At 10th position, it's Maruti Fronx with a sale of 13,669 units sold in March 2K25. As compared to previous month, the Maruti Fronx was at first position in sales, but in March it comes at the 10th position. At 9th position, it's Mahindra Scorpio. 13,913 units sold in March 2K25. Whether it is the classic or the N version, Scorpio continues to dominate Indian roads. At 8th position, it's Maruti Dzire. 15,460 units sold in March 2K25. The sedan market leader, Dzire proves their still love for compact sedans. At 7th position, it's Tata Nexon with the sale of 16,366 units sold in March 2K25. Stylish, safe and strong, Nexon maintains its stronghold in the market. At 6th position, it's Maruti Brezza with the sale of 16,546 units sold in March 2K25. Urban buyers' favorite Brezza keeps the momentum going. At 5th position, it's Maruti Ertiga with a sale of 16,804 units sold in March 2K25. At 4th position, it's Maruti WagonR with a sale of 17,175 units sold in March 2K25. The tall boy design and practicality keep WagonR among the top picks. At third position, it's Tata Punch with a sale of 17,714 units sold in March 2K25. India's love for micro SUV continues. Punch is punching above its weight. At second position, it's Maruti Swift with a sale of 17,746 units. Swift is still the go-to choice for young buyers, sporty and reliable. And surprisingly, at first position, it's Hyundai Creta with a sale of 18,059 units. And the number of cars for the March 2K25 is the Hyundai Creta with its killer design, powerful engine and loaded feature. It's no surprise Creta took the crown. If you like this content, please do subscribe and press the bell icon button.